Ah, what's this? Oh, it's a television! Ha! Me like televisions! Ha! You peekaboo! Yeah. Ah! I have an idea! Aha! Aha! All finished! Ah! Hello! Ha! Me make a story! Ha! Look! Ready to watch? Ha! Ready, steady, go! Ha! What? Television's not working. What's the problem? No. Here. No, everything's okay. Ah, this is the problem. Aha! It's not plugged in. Ha! Okay, here we go. Ready, steady, go! Me. Hello, my name is Crunchy. I'm Crunchy Monster. I'm 5 years old. Ha ha! I live in Monsterville. Ha ha! I live in a big monster house. Ha ha! These are my eyes. They are green. I'm blue and my hair is green. My favorite color is blue. This is my favorite toy. It's a teddy bat. It's brown and black. This is my school bag. It's got a pencil case, books, crayons, and my favorite is chocolate pizza. That's me. Bye-bye. The end.